Hello there, Dr. Ramita and Josephine. So I was looking at the website, and there are several things that we could do to really help this website so it starts getting indexed a lot better. And so one of the things that I do when I look at a website, I try to read over the information and see what the business is about, and see how we could get indexed better in the search engines, especially if you're in a demographic location like New York or a certain section of New York. So here's our keywords down here under the latest procedures: bikini bottom booster, Evelyn's Encore laser, Alma, Botox and injectables. All this stuff right down here. These are our keywords. I've been able to discern that so far. But if we come up to the top of the site and I right click and I view the page source, I see here that there is no meta description. So meta descriptions are very important, because if we look up something in Google, like let's say Botox, okay, something like that, we notice that whenever we look under the keywords, there are meta descriptions down here that tells us what's in this website that encourages a user to click on. And unfortunately, there is no meta description here. And whenever we look at the site, it has a lot of. It should have the keywords repeated throughout the paragraph, and then I like how whenever we click on the bikini bottom booster, we're able to read a little bit more about it. But I think that what we need to do is this should match the bikini bottom booster. These are canonical URLs. It looks like whoever coded this in PHP, they were actually writing out the URLs. It's not bad for a beginner, but you want to be able to get indexed a lot better in the search engine, and we can definitely help you with that. You have a lot of good content on this site, but it's not optimized in such a way where we can, where your SERP, which is search engine rank position, where we could move you up in the search engines. For instance, on this page here, we have paragraph, but we have no heading tags, and then the words up here, they're not actual words, they're graphics. And so if we right click and we click on these graphics and we scroll down, we see that they have names like home4.jpg. Now this says nothing to a search engine. What these pictures should be saying is something about Botox or something about our keyword phrases. They should be named these different things, bikini bottom booster, so that we could get these pictures indexed as well in the image search engines of Bing and Google as well. So that's another avenue. The other thing that I would want to bring out is your RSS feed isn't working, or this is actually going to a LinkedIn that's giving you this 404 error page. So LinkedIn is a great professional network to be a part of. I'm a part of it as well, but you might want to get that. So an RSS feed is a little bit different. If you go to Josephine's website, Makeup by Josephine /feed. This is what a feed is. And what's great about this is that anybody could come to Josephine's website and subscribe to this and get it every time she posts new content. It will be delivered to her to the emails. And so what we could do here is have the people sign up, just like they do on Josephine's site, so that whenever the doctor makes a post to his blog, and I noticed that they were having a little bit of problem with the blog too, whenever we get this up and running, whenever you make posts to your blog, it will automatically be broadcasted to the emails. Now, there's a lot of other things that I could suggest here. But the main thing is to get your website into a content management system. That's the main thing, like a WordPress, and to have a theme, not a free theme, but a theme that's designed for the doctor, and something that's going to communicate well what we do, and it'll be what the doctor does, and then have it structured for to be indexed in the search engines, search engine optimized. Whenever we look at different websites, I was checking out one that I thought would really come close to matching. Not exactly, but here we see that we have kind of like a why, what, and who we help. Why why do it, what we do, and who we help. And I thought that this communicated it well. It had a slider. Maybe instead of the picture of the doctors, we could have some of the pictures of the procedures, like before and after pictures. One of the things that I always try to encourage my clients to have are testimonials on their websites. And what testimonials do is everybody, you don't underestimate the value of a testimonial. I mean, it's actually made sales for lots of my clients. So testimonials and feedback is a great thing to do, and we could do that in a content management system like WordPress. It wouldn't take me very long at all to turn this entire website into a WordPress content management system and then transfer the content. The great thing about this website is you already have the content in there, so it's not like that we have to write it all again. But we could definitely structure it a lot better so that it's going to, be able to be broadcasted. And the great thing about WordPress, or using the WordPress content management system, is the doctor and his staff would be more in control. You wouldn't have to depend on a web developer every time that you wanted a new page or make a new post. You wouldn't have to depend on the web developer to do it for you. It's as easy as writing a Microsoft Office document. I mean, very, very small learning curve. I'm sure Josephine could testify to that, how easy it is to make a page or a post. So I think that that's one of the things that we could do. Now, if the good doctor wanted to just match this website and just turn how he has everything right here, right into a WordPress, we could definitely do that. If you didn't want any different cosmetics, if you do want different cosmetics, then let me know. We could give you some ideas there. Something else that I wanted to bring out about the website is if we bring it up on a cell phone, this is what we have, and we can tell that it's very hard to read. And then whenever you have to zoom way in to see everything, and then even so, sometimes it comes off. We could do something like what Josephine has. If you bring up her website, Makeup by Josephine, you notice everything's nice and big as far as the pictures go. The pictures say 1,000 words, and then the site navigation is right there, and we're able to get on and very clearly read what she has without having to zoom in. There's several different WordPress plugins, mobile plugins. I have one on my website, A1 Website Pro, so that people that come and tour my site on their mobile phone, it loads fast, and they're able to read clearly, what the website's about. All right. Well, I look forward to hearing back from you. This sounds like a really exciting project. And don't hesitate to contact me. My phone number, 412-708-5253, or email me, max@a1websitepro.com. Look forward to hearing from you.